The chain on this chainsaw has been used for a long time, so it's no longer fast or sharp. Many old-timers don't know how to replace the chain. I'll now teach them how to replace the chainsaw chain. First, we'll remove the handle and then take off the protective cover. After that, we'll unscrew the fixing screws on the cover plate. Separate the guide bar, chain, and assembly. Remove the old chain, straighten the new one, and lay it flat. The chain installation has a specific direction. The chain teeth should face the same way as the drive gear. The drive gear rotates this way, so the chain must go in this direction. The guide bar is reversible, so flip it if needed. The teeth should face forward. This is the back, this is the blade. The blade cuts wood, the back won't. There's a tensioner screw. Loosen it by 2 turns, which means rotating the screw outward twice. Place the tensioner screw in this slot, straighten the chain, and lay it flat. Hang the extra chain on the drive gear. The tensioner catch should lock onto the guide bar. Now rotate the chain. If it moves freely, that's good. Put the cover back on and tighten the screws. Don't over-tighten. Turn it over and test it. The chain seems a bit loose. How do we adjust it? Use a screwdriver to adjust the tensioner screw. Turning clockwise tightens, counterclockwise loosens. Adjust as needed. How do we know when the chain is tight enough? What's the right tension? There should be about a 5 mm gap between the chain and guide bar. That's usually good. If it moves back and forth freely, the adjustment is complete. Then, use a hex wrench to tighten the set screw and install the protective cover. Once the screws are fixed, attach the handle. The saw is now fully assembled. Before sawing, add some engine oil to lubricate the chain. Next, connect to the home grinder by removing the screws. It comes with 3 drive screws for small, medium, and large home grinders. Choose the right square drive screw for your 100, 125, or 150 model home grinder. Attach it to the grinder's drive shaft and adjust the screws. Adjust the shaft's square groove, loosen the locking screws, and widen slightly. Now place the yellow rubber ring onto the grinder. Snap the locking mechanism onto the grinder. That's all there is to it. Installation is simple. You'll learn it quickly. Gathering wood for fire saves time and effort. If you like, please like and subscribe for more content.